Today is an ordinary day for me. I'm just going to walk around in my house. Last night I had a dream. I was on this bridge and I saw Santa. Santa said that he was coming early this year. I wonder if that's true. Yay. The lobster will have the big surprise. That dream I sent him, he's really excited for. Not while I'm home. Oops, wrong way. What do you want, you monster? Yay, I'm in a secret disguise. Yay, I'm in disguise. Dun, dun, dun. What? You'll get the time bomb. Santa! You actually came! Yes, here's your present. Tick. Do. This present won't unwrap. Because it's a time bomb. What? Grab the present. Santa, you've been very bad. Well, it's not Santa, it's... Devil. Dun. I'm gonna kill everybody. You first. Oh no. Fall for my tricks. No, you fall for mine. Growing power. Wow. You naughty little boy. Go! I'll fight him! You killed Santa! You shall feel my wrath. Tick.